Hi, this is Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and I'm going to introduce Unit 3 to our CSIT 125 Microsoft Word for Business class. On the Unit Assignments page in Blackboard, you're going to see Unit 3, Working with Reports and Multi-Page Documents. Notice that this assignment is due by midnight on February 24th, 2017. So I'm going to click into Unit 3. First thing you see is the overview page, and as you scroll the page up it gives you a brief rundown of what you're going to be learning in this unit. In Chapter 3 you're going to cover different features of Word that make it easier for you to locate sections and information quickly and easily in a large document, multi-page document, as well as where a writer's information comes from. So I'm talking about things like the table, creating an automated table of content, footnotes, endnotes, bibliography, digital bookmarks, and customizing your headers and footers. And so these are useful tools for when you're writing a long term paper or a business paper, business-related document as well can use these things. Okay. One thing I want to mention is you might not realize what a digital bookmark is. It's a link in a document that you read online. Like, I'm sure you've seen this a lot on the internet. When you get to the bottom of a page you're looking at, there's sometimes a link at the bottom of the page that says back to top of page or return to top. When you click that link, it takes you right back to the top of the page instantly. That's called a bookmark link, and you're going to learn how to make one of those. Summary of the Unit 3 tasks are here. For Unit 3 you're going to, of course, read Chapter 3, and you can read it in the hard copy of the book or online in SimNet. I do encourage you to do all of the pause and practice exercises and the show me, let me try tutorials. None of these are graded as usual, just use them to practice and learn the skills. You're not going to turn any of those in. There's also going to be a video that you're going to watch and answer questions about in the discussion board in Blackboard. And you're going to do a Word software project. This time you are going to do the project in SimNet, just like you did for the first project in the class. Please remember that when you're doing a SimNet project, you're going to follow the online SimNet instructions, not the steps from the physical textbook. So when you're ready, you're going to click on the assignment instruction page here, and this gives you detailed directions on what to do for Unit 3. You're going to read the chapter, you're going to watch the video, and in addition to that video I've posted a link here that you can watch. It's an optional video that describes how to create odd and even footers in a document, which might be useful in a long document if you're writing a short story or book or a manual or something like that. You might want to know how to do that. This video, I did not create it. It was done by somebody else, but it's pretty good, so if you want to look at it, feel free. The project notes here give you information about this project in SimNet. Again, you're going to start in SimNet, and when you're finished with it, you're going to upload it into SimNet. You will have 2 attempts that you can do. So if you don't like the score that you earn on the first time you upload your project, you can work on it some more, revise it, and then upload it a second time. Okay. Also, I want to mention that, while you're working on your project, as long as it's a couple of days, at least a couple of days before the due date, if you want some advice and feedback from me, you can email me and attach your project file to the email and ask me for feedback, specific questions, areas that you're not sure of, and I'll review your work for you and get back to you within 24 hours and let you know what I think you should do to improve it or answer questions about it. Also, at the bottom of this page, it's a reminder to take the Chapter 3 quiz. Of course, all these chapter quizzes are done in Blackboard. And at the very bottom, it tells you how many points each thing is worth. So again, just like any other unit, you're going to click into the overview, go to the assignment instructions, and There's also one extra page I put in here for some online resources for Unit 3. These are links to 3 different web pages that offer extra information that you might like to take a look at to help you with the topics in Unit 3. If you have any questions, of course, please email me, and thank you for watching.